In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check the devices that are logged into your X.com or Twitter account so you can keep an eye on your account security and make sure there are no unfamiliar logins. This is a quick and important tutorial if you want to protect your account, review active sessions, and stay in control of where your account is signed in. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open X.com or the Twitter app and sign into your account if you're not already logged in. Once you're on the main dashboard, look at the left-hand navigation menu. Here, you'll need to click on More, which is the three dots icon at the bottom of the menu. This opens up additional settings and options that are not visible in the main navigation. After clicking More, scroll through the menu and select Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps most of the account, privacy, and security controls for your profile. On the next screen, choose Security and Account Access. This section is especially important because it contains the tools used to manage your account's login activity, devices, and security settings. Now click on Apps and Sessions. Inside this menu, you'll see different options related to connected apps and active login sessions. To check the devices currently logged into your account, click on Session. This will show you the active sessions associated with your X account, including the devices and locations where your account is signed in. Take a moment to review everything carefully. If you notice any device, browser, or location that you do not recognize, that could mean your account has been accessed from another session. In that case, you should take action right away by logging out of suspicious sessions and updating your password for extra security. Checking this regularly is a smart habit, especially if you log in from multiple devices or share access to your account in any way. It only takes a few seconds, but it can help you spot unusual activity early and keep your account protected. And that's how you check login devices on X.com or Twitter. If this guide helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an easy tutorial like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.